Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this smartphone. You need to start by opening one of your apps like Play Store and clicking on this button with three lines. Now click on the icon of an app and select Open in split screen view. Following that, tap on the other app, I will go with Gallery, and as you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by swiping one of your apps to the side, letting go, and choosing Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!